So today my hair is feeling a little bit dry and it definitely needs some TLC. So I'm going to be using the Gisou honey hair mask, and this stuff is super thick, super creamy, and really great for curly hair types like mine. I'm going to show you how thick and creamy it is, and it really puts so much moisture back into your hair. I love to use it on dry hair. So normally what I would do is put it all over my hair and then leave it on for as long as possible before I hop in the shower to wash it off. So the first thing I'm going to do is section off my hair. So I'm going to take the top layer, clip my hair back, and take a little bit of the hair mask and then apply it onto both ends of my hair. So now that I finished the bottom layer of my hair, I'm going to take the top layer out from its bun and then work a little bit of the product through the front of my hair as well. Now I'm going to hop in the shower. This is the end result. We're all done.